Boring. Yawn. Seen it before. Come on, people, you gotta hook me in with something that stops me in my scroll. If you're searching for hook inspo for your Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ads, then you're in the right place. Advertisers are using our platform Motion to analyze nearly $5 billion a year in ad spend. Yes, that's billion with a B, and with all that money being spent and analyzed, we've curated our favorite 10 ad hooks being used by 2 of the best creative strategists using our platform. If you're not following Savannah Sanchez and Lakazar Voinov on LinkedIn, pause this video, click their links in the description. You're going to enjoy it. All right, 10 hooks is a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and dive into this. Chapter 1, 5 ad hooks from Savannah Sanchez. First up is this is the blank hack no one wants you to know about.
This is the perfume hack no one wants you to know. It's called the Essence Vault. These are all inspired by luxury brands and smell identical.
Okay, I really like this one. It's a little cliche, but I think it does a great job for brands that are like up against a big competitor like a Goliath in their industry, and they're attempting to capture a different market. So good call out on this one, Savannah. I really like it. Next up, let's see the next one she has, which is, hey ladies, if your man is still blank.
Hey ladies, if your man is still going out wearing flimsy collars and sweat stains.
I think you can easily swap this one out for things like hey fellas, attention husbands, calling all wives if you want to try to test with different personas. But I like this because you can easily attach a specific persona and grab attention to that segment that you're trying to speak to. All right, next up is number 3. I sometimes shock statement. Let me explain.
I sometimes wear earplugs around my baby.
I think this is a great pattern interruption hook for products that are trying to maybe disrupt commonly held beliefs or maybe define a category. So I like that one a lot. Number 4, the ultimate blank I can't live without.
The ultimate travel companion I can't live without. This is the foldy, or what I like.
Yeah, I think this one's a solid hook to capture like serious in-market buyers who want to learn more about specific features. So if we think about that 95-5 rule, this ad hook is really great for the 5% of buyers who are ready to make a purchase. I bet this one actually has a solid CTR as well. All right, the last one from Savannah is, if you're a blank, you know the importance of a good blank.
You're a mama to be, you know the importance of a good prenatal supplement. That's why
I think this last one is a great hook, again, for isolating your target audience, sifting out everyone this is not intended for, and then quickly being able to call out a pain point. That does a really nice job here. So Savannah, bravo. These are all ingenious. I think I like most how this covers a nice spread of different products, everything from fragrance to clothing, supplements, more nicely done. Chapter 2, 5 ad hooks from Lakazar Voinov. All right, so it looks like the first one we have here is the different UGC faces combo. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm actually digging this one. I think there's a great opportunity here to test different amounts of UGCs on screen. So maybe 2 versus 4 versus 8 UGC faces. Next up, we have UGC green screened pointing. This concept isn't entirely new, but let's take a look at it.
This is the best candle I've ever brought. My inspired by designer perfume candle.
I like this one a lot because she's green screened on a text thread that says, oh my God, girl. So I think it's eye-catching. I bet they could test her reading things from the text as well, or maybe from notes, and having the voiceover match what you're seeing. Okay, next up we have number 3, which is the super targeted caption with a slow zoom. Let's take a look. All right, this is just a great combo of visuals, text, and audio. Not surprised that this one did so well. I really like this concept of slow zooming, keeping people engaged beyond the hook. So I bet that one has a nice hold rate. All right, let's go on to number 4. Looks like it's emotional scroll stopper featuring Crying Girl. Okay, yeah, I've seen enough. So this one for sure it's a pattern interrupt with heavy emotion, and it doesn't require a whole lot of cognitive load. It's a good mood setting, and bonus points in this one for having the dog. All right, lastly, let's look at Lakazar's side-by-side UGCs with funny matching caption voiceovers.
Ready for date night, but your shirt makes you look like a joke.
Yeah, I think what makes this one work so well is the contrast between an eager guy on camera and the sarcastic tone of the voiceover. Contrast creates really nice humor. Solid 10 out of 10. Lakazar, your ad hooks are epic. Well done, sir. These all stand out as successful, and the data doesn't lie. These are absolutely crushing for his customers, so nice work all around. Well, there you have it. 10 ad hooks that will definitely be worth testing in 2024. If you're looking for the easiest way to know if your ads are working, you need to check out Motion because it allows you to ship more winning ads through beautiful creative reporting that shows you exactly the metrics that you need to know in order to scale your you're creative, especially with those ad hooks. So if you want to use Motion for your campaigns, whether you're a creative strategist, media buyer, or a brand owner, sign up for Motion for free by clicking the first link in the description of this video. And let us know what your favorite ad hook is. Maybe we didn't list it here. Link us to it in the comments.